Let's have a look at the Realme Buds Wireless Bluetooth earphones from Realme. Unboxing the Realme Buds Wireless Bluetooth wireless earphones because fewer and fewer phones have a headphone jack. So these seem to be a pretty good value set of wireless earbuds. 150 RMB is the Chinese price. Of course, that will change depending on your country. You get this black and yellow design, yellow box, and inside you get this separate box with the charging cable and the instructions. It is a micro USB connector for that charger. That's to be expected on a cheaper product, and USB-C is only really contained within quite expensive earphones these days. They feel very light and very solid. It has this rubber feeling, and the earbuds themselves are actually pretty big. You get this big chamber out the back there. Now Realme say that these have good bass, and all in all they seem very well put together. Definitely very light, and actually on the back side of both of those earbuds there's a magnet which then attaches to the magnet in the other earbud, and you can connect them together when they're around your neck and not in your ears. So these do have Bluetooth 5, which is a good thing. Realme say that you can use it for 12 hours before needing to recharge. They also say that they are IPX4 rated, which probably means you can splash them with a little bit of water or maybe a bit of sweat, but definitely don't submerge them in any way. The barrel on this side doesn't have any connectors or buttons, it just has a Realme logo, and on the other side you get the volume controls and the R in the middle. Also, the yellow cable on these is not fabric, it's a plasticky material, more like rubber, which is going to be more suitable definitely if you're using these when you're running or doing sports in any way. It's going to be easier to keep them clean as compared to maybe fabric cables. You have the micro USB connector on the back there, and that plugs into a normal USB charger, but that doesn't come in the box. You get the charging cable in the box, but there's no charging brick. The bit that goes around your neck is made of rubber, and it feels light but sturdy at the same time. You get that blue flashing light there, which is the indicator to when it's searching for a connection or when it's actually connected via Bluetooth to something. All in all, for 150 RMB, I don't know what the price is outside of China, but they're just totally solid, really well put together. I can't really show you or let you listen to how good the quality sound is out of these. That would just be impossible on a video, but all I can say is for 150 RMB, the sound quality is not going to disappoint you at all. It was loud enough and also bassy enough. Very clear. At full volume, it was really, really loud. They fit really well, and you also get those bigger earbuds in the box too. A really cool feature that I didn't know about before I got them was once you link them to a cell phone via Bluetooth and get them linked up and start listening to music, everything works as normal. If you actually take the earphones out of your ears and put them together using the magnets, it will automatically drop the connection that it has between your earphones and your phone and start playing that music through your phone. That's a really cool feature because obviously if they're out of your ears, you don't want the music to keep playing through the earphones. Subscribe for more hands-ons and unboxings. That's it for now, but I'll see you in the next one.